This video is a request from many subscribers who have been watching my videos, and there's obviously certain things that I'm not talking about, so we're going to get into that. Now, what we're talking about today is logging into your DJI account. Now, this is something which I just assumed that everyone knows how to do, but clearly this is not the case. So this video is going to be focused on not just logging in, but also connecting your internet to your controller as well, because your controllers need to have internet. It is very important, because otherwise you cannot fly much, and we'll get into that as well. So let's get into the video about your DJI account. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. Good to see you again. Now, before we get going, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, because this is what we do every day. This is our job, and we fly drones every day. We do business every day. So we get into the nuts and bolts and the gritty of drones. And I'm really wanting to have this experience that we have every day to share with you to make your life a lot easier. And you need it. And judging by today's request, which is about the DJI account, we're going to talk about that. So first of all, what you need to have on your account is internet. Okay, so you want to open up your controller, and you will be prompted by the screen. And then what you want to do is you go into the settings and you select network and internet. You want to select Wi-Fi, and you select the Wi-Fi that you want to use. Now, this is automatically going to my phone, but you can have your home network there as well, and then you just input your your username and password, and then that will remember that. Now, I always use my phone, even though I do have internet at home, I have it connected, but I actually never use the home internet, because it's more secure to use the phone, because I'm always outside. Now, I do recommend that you log into your account using the internet before you go out as well, because you may have issues with that. We'll talk about that at the end, because this can have implications, and it's a very popular video that I have. Okay, so the next part is going to be logging into your DJI account. So obviously you should have created an account. If you haven't created an account, go to DJI.com and create your account. It's very important. You'll have to register your drone and whatnot. So if you open up the DJI Fly app, and then you want to select login, and then this is where you're going to input your username. So once you input your username, it's fine. You then tick the box there at the bottom, because that's important to actually continue. And then once you do that, it will take you to the next page where you will input your password. Once you input your password, you are then onto your account. Now, why is it important to do that? Well, for one, you will be able to access the maps and whatnot, and you'll be able to access your statistics. But also, if you don't log into your account, you will only be able to fly at a height of 30 meters, and you will only be able to fly at a distance of 50 meters. So you're going to be, let's say, stopped to fly at certain distances. Now, obviously, if you're logged in, you can fly as long as you keep within, visual line of sight, and obviously keep within the height of the regulations. You can fly at those heights. But if you don't, then you're going to be stuck at a limit of 30 meters and a distance of 50 meters, which is not very far and not very high. And I'm sure that there could be obstacles around you which are higher than 30 meters, so you don't want to be flying at that height anyway. So that's why it's important to log into your DJI account. Many of you are probably thinking, yeah, I don't want to. I just want to keep myself, distant and not put in my details. You are restricting yourself, so it's really important that you log in. Also, you get those updates for your drone, which is also very important for a safety and security point of view. So make sure you do log into your account and follow the instructions here. And as you can see here, that having that limitation, it really stops you from being able to fly and being able to really capture what you want to capture, because you don't want to have to stop, because it will stop you. As you can see, it does actually stop you. So that is it. It's actually fairly straightforward. I hope this was helpful to you all, because I know it's something which is in great demand. So please make sure you like and subscribe, as I said, and we'll back with you for more videos, as I'm sure many of you will be getting drones for Christmas, and you will want to know how to fly them straight away. Make sure the weather is right for you, and if it's very cold where you are, watch for icing on your props, because it can be problematic. Also, I do want to say about the logging in issues. Sometimes your drone may be logged out of your account, even when you're logged in, okay, and you turn it back on again, it may well be logged out. That happens. There's a video here which I have made actually previously. So please make sure, because if you do go out to a location and there's no cell connection and you try to log in, you will not be able to fly at any certain distance, because you need to have the cell connection, you need to be logged in. So be careful, and sometimes if you are traveling to a certain location where you may think that the cell connection is not great, I would log in at home before you go out, just to make sure that you have that connection, because otherwise if you do get out and there's no cell connection, then you can't log in, and that is problematic. It does happen to many people, because I've had lots of comments of people saying, because of the video that I've made about that, and it does happen to them. So anyway, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you all have a great Christmas and a great New Year. Fingers crossed the ban doesn't come into place on the 23rd. I do have my doubts that it's not going to happen, but I really hope that, you know, that we hope for the best and you will all be able to buy drones next year. But it doesn't really look good, does it? Anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Fly safe.